Guten Tag, Schulz is here, and today I'm gonna show you how I start my first big project, my transfer station. So, first of all we need a frame. I decided to take a long, thick pine boards and then just cut all into size. And that's why I need my transfer station. Yeah, I know, I can feed him 3 or 4 pieces at once, but I don't really want to, and my dust collection system will clog really fast. To make all beams the same size, I make a 1-minute jig or something. Just a small pre-cut, precise measurement, and a stub block. Kinda. In case of making frames or something like this, pocket holes are obvious choice, in my opinion, of course. I won't say that we often use our generator, but there is no better place for it yet, so let's just hide it there. To cut all the plywood sheets, I need some kind of elevation to prevent any circular saw accident, and this OSB cutoff come pretty handy. Next day, I had a lot of noisy work to do. session. Our panel's ready to assemble. I use 90-degree clamps and some long screws to fasten all together. That's it. There's some kind of skeleton of mattress station is done. Next on the list are shelves and drawers. And because of the restriction in dimension of mattress station, I come up with some interesting solution. And now, thank you for watching. See ya!